Hey guys, it's Kendall and welcome to my channel, Kendall XOXO. Today I have a very colorful look for y'all and it is a spring inspired makeup look. So if you're interested on learning how to get this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so first off I'm taking the Tarte Tape Shake Concealer and I'm going to put that all over my eyes just to prep them. To set the concealer, I'm going to take the shade Tempera. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm going to put that over my concealer to set it. Okay, so with this peachish color from the Morphe 35 palette, I think that's what it's called. I'm going to take it and I'm going to use it as my transition color. And then taking this other kind of more vibrant peach color, I'm going to put that on the outer V. Next, I'm taking this darkish pink color and I'm going to put that also on the outer V of my eye. Next, I'm taking this darkish pink color and I'm going to put that also on the outer V of my eye. with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer again, and then this yellow color from the Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to be taking it and putting it right here on my eyelid. So I'm finished with this eye, and then I'm going to do this eye off camera, and then I'll be back and I'll show y'all how to do the face. So taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer again, I'm just going to put that under my eyes. So taking my Mario Badescu spray, I'm going to spray that over my concealer so it's easier to blend. Next, taking my Airspun powder, I'm just going to bake under my eyes. Next, taking the Shade and Light Contour Palette by Kat Von D, I'm taking the shade in the middle and I'm going to be contouring my cheeks. Taking this powder brush, I'm just going to add more powder to it and just blend everything out like under my eyes. And then I'm going to take this sponge with the Airspun powder again, and I'm just going to line under my contour. Taking this brush again, I'm going to blend out the powder under my contour. Then I'm also going to fix and blend my contour. Okay, for my lips, I'm going to be using MAC's lipstick in the shade Whirl. I'm going to put this color under my eyes. Okay, so for my lips, I decided to change it, and I'm just going to put on some lip balm because I feel like with this look, it's just better if I don't have any lipstick on. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. And that is it for today, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time, guys.